Hey guys, we're coming to you with another unboxing video. Today I do have the Google Home Mini. This is just the speaker version. We did the unboxing not too long ago for the Google Home Hub. This is just an additional speaker that you can use. I actually got two of these for free when I purchased the Philips Hue lighting system. So got a really good deal on that. These speakers are good because you can, have your Google Home Hub in your kitchen and have, say one in your office and one in your master bedroom, which is what I'm planning on doing. And if somebody's in the kitchen cooking dinner, they can have Google announce to the house that dinner is ready, or, asking the kids to come downstairs. You can put one of these in each kid's bedroom. They, I believe, have ways for you to disable these if you don't want your kids using it past bedtime or something like that. But again, this is usable with Nest, Philips Hue, Wemo, Google Chromecast, Google Photos, Spotify, Netflix, YouTube, and there's so much more. They're always adding more capabilities. I was trying this out earlier. I already set the other one up in the house. It does have a very loud speaker. I was very impressed with the quality of the sound that I was getting out of the product. So just keep that in mind. Good to have that. Let's go ahead and take this wrapping off, and I'm gonna put that over here. And so let's go ahead and open up this box, and I'm gonna show y'all what is on the inside. Actually, there's a little pull tab here on the bottom. We have to pull it open like that, and then that. Oh, look, it just fell out because I had it upside down. It's actually on the top. It's just I didn't have the box correct. I assumed that the tab here was the top of the box, but it's not. So we'll lift that up, and here is the Google Home Mini. It's got a nice gray fabric-like feel on top. I have been told that there are touch buttons on the left and the right side. Tapping those once, the left side is volume down, the right side is volume up. If you do a long press on either side, that will pause or play whatever you have going. There's also you plug in here for your power. There is also a mute switch like there is on the Google Home Hub. You can mute the microphone if you don't want Google to respond, say if you're having visitors over or something like that. And then it also does have a rubber orange bottom here. So if you set it down on a surface, I'm putting some force into this, and that's not moving, so it's not gonna get accidentally pushed off the counter or anything like that. It's pretty solid just here on this counter here. So it's not going to scooch or fall off for sure. So we're going to put that right there. Let's look at what else is in the box. We've got a place for where the Google Home sits. We have instructions here. Let me go ahead and open these up, and we'll take a look at what's on here. It says let's get started, and basically just has instructions. Plug it in. You also want to download the Google Home app. That comes both on Android and iPhone. So that's good to know. Also, there is a little get to know your Google Home Mini. There are some instructions on the controls and some of the things that you can do. Tell it to play Netflix, pause the TV. You want to find your phone. There's all kinds of different things that this will let you do. And then also finally just safety and warranty, regulation things that they're required to include in these packagings. So there is that as well. The plug looks very similar to that of the Google Home Hub. It does have the circular look. I like it. It looks slick. Fits really well in any normal outlet. Haven't run into any issues using it with a dual outlet or having issues plugging in anything, so that's been nice. It does have these little clips, I guess, so you can coil up the cable if you have any access. There are two of those on here. Also, something to note is that the USB on the Google Home Hub, it is a USB-C plug-in like you see on a lot of the new Apple products now. This is actually a micro SD plug-in or micro USB. So it is a different, ultimately, power adapter for the Google Mini in comparison to the Google Home Hub. Just want to note that, and I believe that is all that is in the box. Yep, the box is empty. So again, Google Home Hub, you can purchase it at any major retailer. I'll include a link in the description below for you to find it. And again, check it out and consider installing one of these in your home. So thank you.